Ito si Belle, wife ko. Sobrang hirap ipili ng gift yan. So this year, instead of maghanap ako ng material gift, I chose to be present. Nothing fancy, just enough space to slow down. Quick tour. Yan ba, may plants. Work talaga yung pinunta namin dito. So, ito yung cabinet, ito yung work table niya, ito yung bed for, good for two. And then yung view. 21st floor ito. And third tower siya ng Beacon. So ako work from home. Si Belle madalas face-to-face pa rin. I think yung presence started to matter more than presence. This became the gift. Yo, another gala, another driving vlog. Bababa lang ni Belle yung tid ko dun sa Greenbelt. Dito siya makapag-meet sa mga client. Driver lang ako ngayon. Since I can work from anywhere, I will work sa isa na namang Airbnb. Yan, papunta na ako ngayon dun. Yun yung naging setup namin. Since ako remote work, si Belle naman is more face-to-face. Kapag meron siyang lakad na she needs driving, nahatid ko siya. I use the privilege of being able to work anywhere para masamahan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pupunta akong Airbnb. At marami tayong pag-usapan today. Make sure to finish this video. Usapan natin itong darating na Pasko, no? So, as someone who's practicing minimalism, I think a huge part of it is not removing completely, but lessen the happiness mo na dependent sa material stuff. Yung sa pagiging kuripot, no? Pero the philosophy ng satisfaction na hindi nanggagaling dahil nabigyan ka ng regalo or nakapagbigay ka ng regalo. Ayun yung nangyari sa mga anak namin na they're not really looking for material stuff na makuha nila during Christmas. Malalaki yung mga anak namin, like eldest namin 18, yung 14, and even the two kids na 5 and 7. And they don't expect that from friends and relatives and families na rin. So it's a preference. I'm not saying na that's the best way of raising your kids, pero it's just how we did it. By doing that, naalat namin yung budget na yun for something else. And in our case, experience. Like we travel, different places, activities, food. We're happy that na-adapt nila yung ganong mentality. And that's actually something we're proud of. I can confidently say na we are giving. Every year nga, as much possible, if we can host on Christmas, we can give to as many people. It's always a good feeling na makapag-abot, diba? It's not being selfish again. It's about looking after yourself, your kids, immediate family first. And from time to time naman, kapag kailangan mong tumulong, pag talagang kailangan, you know, we can. Yo, so heto na yung Airbnb na stay namin for tonight. Kami lang ni Belle ngayon. Yung mga kids, may mga pasok eh. Tsaka work talaga yung pinunta namin dito. So, quick tour. Yan ba, may plants. May pa-plants si ate. Malit lang siya. Tamang for 2 people lang. May fridge. Oo, may libreng water. And then cabinets. Tingnan natin kung ano laman. Utensils as usual. Then meron din cabinet. Ito yung work table niya. Ito yung bed for good for 2. And then yung view. 21st floor ito. And third tower siya ng Beacon. This is the view from the other side. May TV. Yung internet niya. And then may box dito. Ano ba laman na ito? Extra kumot yata. Cute. So neat. So that's it. So yun si Belle, nasa work lang. Ako naman, working from home, from Airbnb as usual. Again, this is one of the major benefit nitong setup na meron ako. Meron si Belle. We're both able to work and nasamahan ko siya. I know a lot of people are wondering paano makukuha itong ganung setup. You gotta be a digital nomad or yung work mo, basta require lang PC or laptop or computer, pwede na. Yung cellphone, I don't think so. There's not much high-paying jobs na pwedeng cellphone lang gagamitin. Realistically, a good laptop, proper internet connection. Itong room na to, 1.8 lang yata overnight. So, diba, sulit na. If you want to book pala, find these kinds of Airbnbs, just check on the comment section below. Lagyan namin yung mga information dyan. If you're in Makati area, if you're looking for a matutuluyan na mura pero maayos, then this is definitely the way to go. Ito ako ngayon, kami ni Belle sa BGC, isa na namang party na atinan niya. And check out na kami dun sa Airbnb. Nakakuha ko ng pay parking. Actually, ito sa pinakamahirap hanapin dito sa BGC, mahanap ng pay parking. Kahit sa mall, kahit sa mga building, palaging puno na. Kapag nakakuha ka parang saya. So ito, maluwag-luwag pa ito. that I wanted to leave you. Minimalism isn't about giving up the things na pinagtrabahuan natin. Yung mga anak natin lumalaki sa mundo na constantly telling them that they need more to be happy. More toys, more gadgets, more stuff. Pero ang turo natin is happiness doesn't come from another Shopee or another Lazada delivery. It comes from being present. Ako ngayon sa gitna ng isang amphitheater dito sa BGC. Waiting for Bell. Chill muna habang naghihintay kasi ako ang kanyang driver eh. Since hindi na masyado mainit, masarap maglakad-lakad. I'm not really a city fan, pero from time to time, pag ganito yung spot na medyo solo ko, mas na-appreciate ko siya, mas nakakapag-chill tayo. Kahit pa paano, okay din naman. Sa mundo natin, we're being told na you need more. You need more stuff. More toys, more gadgets, more things to be happy. Pero yung kasi yan, dapat hindi nanggagaling sa another delivery or another box. It comes from being present. Yung mga moments na magkakasama kayo, masaya kayo, nagtatawanan kayo. So let's make this holiday season not about what we have or what we want to buy. Make it about what we'll experience. Yung maturo natin sa mga anak natin na having enough is already a gift.